Good morning from beautiful, sunny Long Beach, Seaview, Washington. We got some blue skies, partly cloudy skies. Today, we're just using the RV park for exactly what it's supposed to be doing. Park in the RV and take the e-bike out and go explore this neat little town here. So, first, let's go the opposite direction over to the ocean on the e-bike. I'll put the camera on my chest and we'll talk. Well, the sunshine keeps hiding behind all the clouds and trees and fog and stuff, so it feels a little chilly. We're only gonna hit a high of 61 degrees here on the beach today, so I need that sunshine, otherwise I'm gonna be cold. And this is the said 10-minute walking trail to the beach. Pet friendly, so that's cool. Let's get up and go in here. Yeah. Something loose here? It's this making noise. I don't know. I took the back one off because it was doing the same thing, making a bunch of noise, and I didn't need it. Oh well. There's that sunshine, thank you. Okay, I am taking that front fender off as soon as I get back. Or tightening it or something. Oh, okay. So we're supposed to go straight to go to the beach, but you can see the little paved trail here. And this runs parallel to the beach and the towns. So you can actually get to town just on this little cool little, that's a neat little bike trail actually. Yeah, buddy. Oh, there's my turn right here. All right, back to the soft stuff. Come on, e-bike. Should we name the e-bike? I don't know what I would name her. Check it out. We can see the ocean now. Oh, man. Okay, I'm at the pedal now. Uh-oh, we are really slowing down. Oh, come on, pedal. Oh, jeez. No, it doesn't like this stuff. This stuff's way, way, way too soft. Anything will get stuck in this stuff. I'll just walk it out to the hard pack. Almost there. Just get through this. This is where you want to ride or drive on this really hard pack stuff. Yeah, she likes that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, this is great. Woo! Hello, Pacific Ocean. Yeah, buddy. I don't know if it gets any better, guys. This is just beautiful. Okay, tide's coming in. Let's go out. Oh, man. Look at all these crab carcasses everywhere. That's a lot of crab carcasses. Weird. They're all getting washed up. Huh. I don't know. Don't worry, I got my hat cinched on super tight with these beach winds. This is so pretty. Now you guys see why I like the beach so much. Any beach. Even when I call the Gulf of Mexico an ocean. Okay, you got me there. You got me there, guys. It happens. Well, and get back, check in on Jax, make sure he's doing okay. He won't be too hot at any point, so. But I want to go to town. Look at this quirky little beach town. So we'll be back, Ocean, probably tonight. Yeah. Oh, Jaxie man. I know you don't like the wind or the ocean or the crazy sounds and noises, but I brought you back a Seagull Feather. Are you going to turn into a Dumbo and fly and make me $1 million? What do you think? What is it? What are you going to do with it? You going to nuzzle it? Why are you nuzzling the feather? Ooh, oh my. Okay, it's yours. You can have it. You dropped it. Oh, you wanted it? Oh, did you want it? Oh, you can have it then. It's yours. Good boy. You dropped it again. Oh, good catch. It's right there. Can I have it? Well, you're not using it, so I figured I could use it. Oh, you did want it? Okay, go ahead and have it. It's not actually the fender making any noise. I need to take this apart because this is loose. That's kind of scary, actually. Any bicycle, you always want to check that everything is tight every time you ride. Even when you first purchase it and it comes out of the box. Just make sure everything is always tight, continually. I don't know when this got loose, but that's a lot of play. So, I'll take a peek at it. Yeah, so just in case you have one of these electric e-bikes, I had to do some digging. I had to take this off, and then this is the whole part that's moving around in here. You got to unscrew this to get access to this, which needs to be tightened with some channel locks. So I can get them around that nut right there, tighten this down. That was the loose part, but I did have to do some digging just to find it. All right, got her all fixed up and buttoned up. My camping neighbor Lila, who's holding the camera right now, had the right channel locks that I need, so it's locked up. No noise, tight, feel safe. Let's go on the road. All right, actually, I'm not gonna take Highway 109. I'm gonna take that little bike trail that goes along the ocean. Why not, right? It's there. Okay, there we go. Here's my bell. Awesome. Now we can pedal the whole way. Pedal assist. Oh yeah. Coming in hot. Well, we're downtown Long Beach, Washington. I'm going to lock the bike up to the table here and go. This is kind of a quirky little picture. I may put an Instagram picture. A huge frying pan. The world's largest frying pan is here in Long Beach, Washington. You could cook a lot of bacon on that thing. And they've got a squirting razor clam. Okay, the sign says it squirts at the top of every hour from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. for 25 cents. You can make the clam squirt. Oh my gosh, I'm done. And a nice orca whale. No, this is a really neat little town. So let's just walk around and see what we find. Captain Bob's Chowder and what is that? Marcia's Free Museum. Huh. I like it so far. A big wooden Sam Squanch here. 1,800 bucks. Oh, it's not wooden. It's fiberglass? Plastic. Yeah. That'd be some good lawn yard art, huh? Remember these old machines? Test Your Love. Uh-huh. And a big old weird looking piano. Oh, that's different. There's drums in there and everything. So they sell gifts and stuff, but it's also a museum. You look up, Grimsley Dragoon saddle, all sorts of old tools. And the world famous half man, half alligator? That's a thing? Seriously? Jake from Mayor. No, they're serious. They're dead serious here, guys. You can even get a magnet. My friend Jake. I'm still collecting magnets, I just don't have them displayed yet. I'm gonna get a huge whiteboard and put it somewhere and display all my magnets again soon. All right, and we've reached the cliche ocean beach magnets. I do need something that says Long Beach on it though. You know what? Actually, out of all the magnets here, this tiny little thing, look it's handmade with the little wood and the seagull, $1.35. I think that's the one I actually want, right? It doesn't say Long Beach on it, but I'll know. I'll always know. They got fish and chips in here. I said I don't like much seafood. I do like fish and chips. I like this town. It's starting to wear on me. It's starting to grow on me a little bit. Another Soltar here. Bumper cars. That looks like a ton of fun. Looks like lots of fun. It's really crashing in there. Wait a minute, we got world's largest quite a few things. World's largest frying pan, world's largest squirting clam, and I walked right past this and didn't even read it. World's largest chopsticks here in Long Beach. Uh-huh. Now I want some chicken teriyaki. Cool. There you go, guys. A squirting clam. Are you not impressed? Okay, then. Don't say I never take you places, guys. We saw a squirting clam. All right, well, that's Long Beach, Washington. I want to get back to the RV and go see if they opened the pool. It was closed yesterday at the resort, the pool was, but they're supposed to reopen it today after getting their chemicals checked. So I'm checking on Jax too. Man, I tell you what, I have been seeing a lot of accidents lately. This is the road to Thousand Trails down here, and this just happened behind me. Big intersection. This is a main highway right here. And he hit it hard. There are injuries. Sorry, no blood or anything. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I hope everybody is okay. Man, I wish people would be careful. This makes me sick to my stomach. So now they're going to reroute all the traffic down through the Thousand Trails campground to the beach. Yeah, hug your loved ones. I'm glad you're okay. I'm okay. God, you're smothering me. Alright, let's check out this pool. I got my water in a water cut. It is a heated pool. It's the smallest pool I've seen at 1,000 Trails. And again, just pointing that out. 5 feet is the tallest there. The hot tub is closed, but the pool just opened. I don't know how long it's been down, but I don't even think anybody knows it's open yet. Because it's a heated pool, though, I'll bet it's warmer in the water than it is outside here today. We just barely hit 62 degrees for a high. Yeah, it's not cold. It's not hot or warm. Oh. There we go. It's better than sitting in the RV, right? All right, and I got Mr. Seagull on his wood platform. I did add to the back, right there. Long Beach, Washington, 2019. So at least I'll know where it came from. Let's see. Let's put him right there for now. Looking good? Heck yeah, man. Mine. Yours. No? Okay. Well, take care, everybody. Jax and I are gonna watch some TV and hang out. See you in a couple days. Happy 4th of July. Bye, guys.